This is all about finding derivative of quotient rule. That is using quotient rule to find the derivative of a function. Now look at, we have these functions now. So now we are going to work it out now. Now now let's assume you have y is equal to u all over v. That is the quotient rule. So now this y is the same thing as, let's use product rule to prove it now. You have this is the same thing as u times v raised to power minus 1. Now if you use product rule to do this, you will now have y prime equal to u prime leaving v raised to power minus 1 plus leaving u, then you have v raised to power minus 2 times minus 1 times now v prime. Now this is the same thing as saying u prime all over v minus u v prime all over v square. So this will give us, what this will give us is that v square becomes the LCM. So now v divided by v square, you have v u prime minus u v prime. So this is same thing as saying u prime v minus u v prime all over v square. So that is it. So meaning the derivative of u all over v is equal to v, say u prime v times v minus u v prime all over v square. So this is the formula we're going to be using. Now let's write this formula somewhere below. Let's say the derivative of this with respect to x will now be equal to u prime v minus u v prime divided by v square. So we have a problem, which is the derivative of 3x plus 4 divided by 3x squared plus 6. So when you look at this now, you now see that your u is equal to 3x plus 4, while our v is equal to 3x squared plus 6. Now u prime is equal to 3, while v prime is equal to 6x. Now applying this formula here, now you now have the derivative of this, which is u prime, which is 3 times v, which is 3x squared plus 6, minus u, which is 3x plus 4 times 6x divided by v, which is 3x squared plus 6 all squared. So this will now be equal to, open this bracket, you have 9x squared plus 18 minus, you see, minus 6x times 3x will give you minus 18x squared. So minus 6x times plus 4 will give you minus 24x divided by 3x squared plus 6 all to the power 2. So this will now be, this 9x squared is the same with this, so we add them together, 9x squared minus 18x squared, so you have minus 9x squared Then this you have plus 18 minus 24x divided by 3x squared plus 6 all squared. This will give you 18 minus 24x minus 9x squared divided by 3x squared plus 6x all squared. Now you have, okay, so that is this is the final answer for that particular question. Now let's go to another problem. Another problem we have is find the derivative of sine x all over x with respect to x. Now in this you have your u to be sine x, the v to be x. So now u prime will now be cos x while v prime is 1. Now look at the formula here again. The derivative of u all over v is the same thing as saying u prime v minus u v prime all over v square. So that means we have u prime, which is cos x, times v, which is this, minus u, which is sine x, times v prime, which is 1 all over v square, which is what, x square. So this will now give us x cos x minus sine x divided by x square. So this is the final answer to that particular problem. Now let's look at another question. We have the derivative of tan x with respect to x. So you know the derivative of the quotient, which is this is the same thing as v u prime minus u v prime divided by v square. So now let's apply that. So tan x is the same thing as sine x all over cos x. So meaning that our u is equal to sine x while our v is equal to cos x. So u prime is equal to cos x while v prime is equal to minus sine x. Now using this formula down here, the derivative of this will now be your v is cos x times u prime, which is cos x, minus your u, which is sine x, times minus sine x, which is your v prime, divided by cos square x, which is our cos x is our v, so square it. Now this cos times cos x times cos x will give you cos x square minus sine x plus minus sine x minus sine x will give you plus sine square x divided by cos square x. So according to the law of a trigonometry law, cos square x plus sine square x is equal to 1. So you have 1 all over cos square x. So and this is the same thing as saying 1 all over cos x all raised to power 2. So and 1 over cos x is equal to sec x. So sec x square. This is the same thing as sec square x. That is the final answer to that particular problem. So now we can now go over to the next question. Now the next question is the derivative of sec x. Now you know sec x is same thing as 1 all over cos x. So now the derivative of this with respect to x, now you have your u to be 1 now, v to be what? Cos x. So u prime is equal to 0 because the derivative of a constant is 0. V prime is equal to minus sine x. So now, if you now apply that rule here now, you have the derivative of u all over v equal to u prime v minus u v prime divided by v square. So that means the derivative of this will now be u prime is 0. So 0 times v is cos x. Now minus u, which is what? 1 times v prime, which is minus sine x, divided by what? V square, which is cos square x. So now this will give you this whole will give you 0 minus 1 times minus sine x will give you sine x all over cos square x. So this is simply as saying sine x divided by cos x times cos x. So this expression can be written as sine x all over cos x times 1 all over cos x. So sine x all over cos x is tan x times this is sec x. So this is the final answer to this particular problem. Please, this is the solution of this particular problem. Thank you for watching till the end. Please subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, comment and share the video. Thank you.